Hello, I'm Larry, and this is Gary. Don't mind his name, but he is Gary. I am Larry. Today's episode is a tutorial how to play terraria. First, you have to get wood. Doesn't matter if it's short, if it's long. If you can get it up, it's alright. It's fine by me. If it's hard, it could be soft, it doesn't matter. If it gets up, it's all that matters. I don't know where Gary is right now. He's probably out going on an adventure or something. Let's try to build a house, right? Far as you can, wood. Like this, far as you can, at the borders, right? Like this. Nope. And then 3 out. 3 out, 4 out, then down, yeah. So this is like 2 doors. 2 doors, you know what I'm saying? That's how you build a house. I made this design on the spot. But this should, I'm gonna cut to when it's finished. This is Gary. Wait, no. I was Larry, right? I was Larry. Fuck. Who am I? This was Larry. This is the design. This is the finish. You don't need a table. You can go for a workbench, but I like tables better. This is good because this section can go for up. Can make some. What's it called? Platforms. Yeah, wood platforms. Just like do this. This is awesome. Wow. Wow. Just absolutely wow.